Let's take a look at how to use the outline view and the outline pane in PowerPoint. Now, to turn on the outline view or outline pane, on the View tab at the top, you could come out and choose Outline View. You could also come out here and down at the bottom, you could just click your normal view button over and over again, and that will turn this on and off. You could also hold down your Control Shift and then press your Alt key once, and that'll also move you into the outline view, and you'll be able to see the outline pane on the left-hand side. Now, when you place your pointer in the outline pane on one of the icons for a title, you could right-click and choose from the menu Collapse All, and that will collapse all of the subtopics within each slide, and you'll see just the titles. If you right-click, you could choose Expand and expand just the slide you're on, or you could come out here and choose Expand All, and that'll expand all the text on all the slides. From here, when you're viewing the text, say, state what the audience will learn, maybe I realize that that should be a topic down here underneath Agenda, and it should be between List the Topics and List the Times. It should be right in between these two. I could come out here and select this guy, click and grab it, and just pull it down here to the end of Covered, and then click in front of the first letter of the text, press Enter, and it just gives me a new topic out there. I can just make my adjustments accordingly. Likewise, if I just think it should be a subtopic within the slide here, I could click on it and drag it to the right a level and let it go, and it becomes a subtopic of the previous title or topic directly above. If you think state what the audience will learn, that is, this subtopic, it really should be its own slide, you could just place your pointer onto the left of that text. When you get the four-headed arrow, just drag to the left until you see the vertical bar, and it'll make that a whole new slide. You could then drag this slide up or down. You could take the text underneath it and click and drag it back up underneath the text above. Now we have state what the audience will learn on its own slide, and you have the same slide as it was before, missing the text that we just made into a slide. Likewise, if I see a slide that really should be a subtopic of a slide that already exists above or below, I could just move it into that slide. For instance, I have Agenda, but I realize the agenda should really be part of the introduction. What I could do is click on Agenda and just drag it to the right one level. You see the vertical bar move to the right, and then let it go, and it becomes a subtopic underneath the previous slide.